So, Zoe, we are just hours away from the 4th of July, and for many of us, that means we're getting ready to enjoy some fireworks.
Yeah, so even though those fireworks can be fun, we love them, they can also have a big impact on our air quality, sometimes even triggering air pollution alerts.
Yeah, so you may not think about that unless you're one of our neighbors that has asthma or other health conditions, and this is really concerning for them. Our environmental reporter, Scott Broom, is putting all of this in focus for us tonight.
Here at the Maryland Department of Environment, pollution forecasters are going to be carefully watching the numbers as fireworks displays light up over the weekend.
And we forecast that.
Here's forecaster Joel Driesen, who pays particular attention to harmful fine smoke particles called PM 2.5, which are linked to all kinds of lung and heart problems.
In the past, we've seen the major displays cause extreme concentrations of PM 2.5. That's a very small particle, smaller than the human hair, and it's higher than the smoke events in 2023. 4 or 5 times greater than the concentrations that we saw from those wildfires in Canada are actually created by all the fireworks going off.
Driesen says the impact depends on wind and weather, but if the air is stagnant, air pollution alerts can be triggered the following day. Now, Americans love fireworks. According to the U.S. Pyrotechnics Association, the U.S. market peaked in 2022 when we blew up nearly 462 million pounds of fireworks. Other documented pollution effects include fallout of a chemical called perchlorate, which is bad for soil and water quality, and disruptions to wildlife, not to mention freaking out pets. The takeaway here is not that fireworks are an environmental disaster for the ages, but they do have some dramatic short-term effects.
This is just an acute event that we need to pay attention to, especially for those sensitive groups. What is really interesting is you can actually see the signal. As the sun sets, you can actually watch the data across the country flare up, and there's a spike in the entire country as the sun sets. And then it's just a matter of the weather and how long that takes to dissipate.
And fire officials say this is all another reason to discourage at-home fireworks displays and leave it to the professionals. One alternative is drone shows that light up the sky, gaining popularity in areas with high wildfire danger without all the pollution. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.